Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Michael, and in this video I want to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without having to spend any money, without having to show your face, without having to do any of these things, guys. I want to present you an awesome method that you can use today in order to make a lot of money on YouTube. Believe it or not, it is true, and I want to show you all of this stuff today, guys. So be sure to check out this video right here, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so here's what's up, guys. I promised you in this video, I will teach you exactly how to make money on YouTube. First of all, without having to make any videos yourself, right? Without having to spend any cash, no investments whatsoever, and without having to show your actual face on camera, just like I'm doing it right now. Because I know a lot of you guys out there, you don't even want to show your face. You don't want to be an influencer. You don't want to be a person. I mean, you don't want to be famous, right? So you just want to be someone behind the screen uploading videos, making tons of money. And I can promise you this is 100% possible, and I will show you exactly how to do it right here, right now in this video today, guys. Okay, so I will promise you one thing, by the way. I will promise you that after you are done watching this video, this very video right here, after you've done watching it, you will 100% know how to get more views and likes so you can actually make this happen, right? So in this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. And not only that, I'm not like any of these other YouTubers who just show you something, how to do something in theory, and then they just leave you alone and just let you do it and it will not work. I will show you 100% how this method works. And not only that, I will show you exactly how you can really utilize this method. And I can promise you that I will show you a way that will 100% guarantee you getting more views and likes to your video so you can really actually make this happen, okay? All right, so enough talking. Let's get straight into how this method actually works, okay? And this whole thing, this whole method is all about that you guys can make tons of money on YouTube simply by uploading what we call viral videos to the platform, right? So what are viral videos? We all know these videos called like top 10 fastest cars, top 10 best soccer players or best soccer goals or whatnot, right? These type of videos that literally get millions, tens of millions, in some cases even like hundreds of millions of views just for showing people like specific stuff that's already out there, meaning that's not unique content. Like just like when I do make a video, it's unique content, right? Because I put stuff out there. It's not even out there on YouTube yet, right? But these kind of people, these kind of channels, they actually upload content that's just ripped from somewhere else, right? The best soccer goals, they just take it from TV, put it up there, right? And upload it to YouTube and make tons of money by making these viral videos. So in a second, I'm going to show you a few examples, but what this really does is, or what this really allows you to do is to really put channels up there and that have videos on it where you don't really have to do anything, right? Where you don't have to produce any content. All you have to do sometimes is put up a video editing software and put a few videos together and then put it up on YouTube, right? And when we go right here, we can see that there's all these videos are all over the place, right? They're all over YouTube. We can type in top 10 soccer goals right here, and what we will see is the first video that has like 14 million views. This is 50 famous goals. It's kind of like the same thing. Best goals of the year 2018, 500,000 views, right? And you don't have to do this stuff with sports. You can do this with gaming. As you can see right here, top 10 best Fortnite players. Like, people search for this stuff like crazy when you can see like this, when you can see this right here, right? Top 10 best Fortnite players, Fortnite games, whatnot. Top 10 fastest cars. You kind of get the idea, right? So the magic right here though is, look at all of these views, right? This one has 14 million views. Like last year in 2018, the average like CPM for you on YouTube for publishers, which means like how much does YouTube pay content creators on their platform for 1,000 views, right? So it used to be like $1 or something, but last year was actually like $3. So that means for every 1,000 views for a YouTube video, and keep in mind, this is not the only video on the channel right here. This guy has like tons of videos, right? So for 1,000 views, this person would probably get like $2 to $3, right? So if we do the math right here, so 14 million divided by 1,000 times 3 makes $42,000 just with this one video right here, right? So let's just imagine you have 50, 100, or even like 1,000 videos on your channel, right? And you don't need to make this stuff about sports. You can do this about anything else, right? And the beauty is right now you probably ask yourself, how am I able to get video content for this that I can just upload on YouTube without getting like copy strike or anything like this? It is very easy, guys, because all you have to do is, if you want to create a channel like this, just type in, let's say you want to make a channel that has something to do with like cars, right? So just type in top fastest cars and then go to filter and go to features, Creative Commons. And what that allows you to do is you will be able to see all of the content that is pretty much out there for you to use for free without having to care about copyright or whatnot, right? So all of these channels that you see right here, most of them, they just take content that's already there on YouTube, they just put it together in a video editing software, and then they re-upload it under their own channel and brand it with their own channel stuff, right? So that's pretty much all you have to do. That's pretty much the whole method right here. Pick a niche. It doesn't matter what it is, cars, fitness, health, gaming, like those are the big niches on YouTube, right? Health, fitness, money, anything that has to do with luxury stuff like cars and all of these things, right? This stuff is all about getting that AdSense money, right? And $42,000 with only one video, that's a lot of money. You can make tons of money with these kinds of videos, right? And how do I know this? Like even with my channel, like with like almost like 60,000 subscribers and only like 8 million something views that I have, I already make so much money just with AdSense alone that I could literally almost like retire and take this as passive income. Just with the money I get through AdSense is enough for me to not even need a job or need anything. Of course, AdSense is probably like my smallest income source. It's still enough to like just live, you know? So you can imagine how much money you can make with a channel like this, right? Okay, so what do we have right now? We have the method. We know exactly how to do it. What we need right now is, all you need to do right now is create a YouTube channel, get your first videos up there. Then of course I promise to tell you guys, how do you actually get views to your videos, right? That is very important because let's be very honest with you guys, all of this stuff is great, but if you don't know how to get an initial boost, like especially on a new channel, like how to get this initial boost of views and likes and everything to your videos, you will not, these videos will not actually rank in the SERPs. Like they will not rank on YouTube. If someone types in top 10 fastest cars 2018 or 2019, the video that you will upload, even if it's a good video, it will not rank for that keyword, right? So what you need to do is you need to actually rank this video for this keyword. And how do you do this? Is you go to a software called videosniperpro.com, right? Video Sniper Pro is pretty much a software that ranks your YouTube videos for specific keywords, right? So as I said, for example, top 10 fastest cars, top 10 fastest whatever, this software will actually rank your videos for this keyword, so people will actually see it when they type it in. And as you can see right here in my account, I will guide you through, there's tons of tutorials about this software out there on the internet, but I want to show you real quick. Let's say I wanted to rank a video for top 10 fastest cars right here using the software. All I would have to do is right here, go to keywords, type that keyword in, and what the software pretty much does is it generates the video details, meaning title, description, and tags, by reverse engineering the YouTube algorithm and analyzing your competition in a way that you can literally use that exact same title, description, and tags in order to really rank on youtube.com, right, for specific keywords. So then we want to go to video details, and it will show us exactly what to use in order to really outrank our competition right here. So all we have to do is click on the keyword, and there we can see the exact title, descriptions, and all of that that we have to use, especially the tags right here in order to rank. But there's tons of more tutorials out there. I will put one in the description if you want to learn more about how to actually rank videos on YouTube and how to do the whole SEO stuff. where you can really build up your whole channel and stuff and do all of these things, right? So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is all you got to do. Get a channel, put videos up there, use Creative Commons, and make your videos go viral on YouTube, guys. Just imagine doing this with like 10, 20, 50 videos and really making them go viral and having like millions of views on each and every one of these videos, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's what I wanted to do. What I also want you guys to do is be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified once I post a new video. That's pretty much it. Be sure to like this video also, because it's a pretty awesome video. Share it on Facebook, share it on Reddit, share it everywhere. Be sure to do that right now. See you guys very soon.